Okay, so I want to tell you why I get survival stuff from Dollar General. Yeah, this cord is hip cord from Dollar General. It's 21 feet. You know, because here's the thing. What if? What if I'm like, oh no, I have to get out of Dodge, and I don't have my bag with me, and I'm out at Dollar General or Dollar Tree. Hey, I can, you know, do different, like say, get hip cord for fishing, a sewing kit that has, or a sewing kit for the string to do a basic bare bone whatever. I'll probably end up telling y'all how to build a Dollar General bug out bag or survival bag or whatever type of bag you want. So yeah, but yeah, just in case I'm out and oh god, you know, SHTF, and I have to go survive. My brain is, literally, I think differently when it comes to survival. Yeah, I have the survival, you know, wallet, but that's the thing, you know. What if I don't have it with me, right? One, I would go get some Ziploc bags, right? For watering. I would get some sort of container. Like what the container I would get, which is like $6. You can use it for boiling water, cooking, what have you. Is the storage? Actually, let me go get it. No, I should know now, but it's a thing. You know, okay, the one, the True Living one at Dollar General that can do whole bacon grease, fat, and all that, and oil. That one is on. It should be where all the knives and kitchen stuff is. That's what I recommend. That's $6. That's like a $6. Well, right now, that's a $6. Bush pot. Yeah. Bam. Go get some tea. Go get like a packet of coffee, like a thing of coffee, like a 6 pack or a 6 pack thing of coffee, right? Then get like the chicken and like tuna like pouches. That's the best way to do it because they're like this. Okay. Then go get some baby wipes. Fragrance free baby wipes. I'll tell you why. Clean yourself. Clean your dishes. Wiping off a wound. Very important. Cotton balls. Get them. Go to the baby aisle and get the little tube of the squeeze petroleum jelly. Bam. Right? Get yourself some alcohol. Okay? About 70 to 91%, I would say. Get yourself a basic first aid kit. They usually have them. If you can get it, get the Rexall one. It has more stuff in it. Bandages, blah, 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 blah. Alcohol prep pads. Those are good to have, too. Well, I said I was going to... I said it wasn't a teacher I'd do it. Then, get, some pasta or something like that. Or, actually, no. Get some of the bars, like the cereal bars and all this, right? Get yourself at least two. Oh God, the tall waters are like this, or a gallon one, so you can like boil a little bit of water for coffee, tea, what have you, right? They do have tender at Dollar General. They usually have it where the grilling, usually it's outside where the grilling crap is. Get one of those. With that, or the like little seasonal aisle, it's like, you know, there. I think the one that's next to, or wait, I'm thinking of the one that's out here. So I don't know how y'all's is, but you have a natural, like, tumbleweed type, tender. Get that. Okay? Go get a paring knife or some sort of knife. Okay? Usually what I would do is I would get some sort of knife, and then also because just in case, utility knives, they're sharp enough to where you can make stuff with, so you're good for that. I actually want to take one of these out and see how sharp it actually is. But yeah, a buck something, you're good. You're good for a buck something. So yeah. Really, is this gonna do this? Oh God, no. I'm not gonna screw with it because no, it's gonna. I know this. I never get a fast charger for your laptop, ever. But yeah. Then go to where the cups are with the actually I can show you this probably because I have it here somewhere. Yeah. Thing that keeps me hanging on. Whoa, do. Yeah, sorry, so like this. These type of cups, right? This costs $1. Yeah, this will work for water containing. Get a small thing of, water that you can use just to wash this out with vinegar and water. That's what you should do. And then, get a little bit of bleach if you have to disinfect. Get yourself, because if you can't, boil, you don't have any water purification tablets, which I don't think you have. They usually have a camping section. So go, if you can find a little tent. Also, I would get that for shelter. So you don't have to, rig up anything. If you can't, go to where the party aisle is. Go get yourself a I put it in the prep room. Crap. Get yourself a tablecloth or two. If you can't, get yourself a black tablecloth to put down, and an orange one to do as a thing. Now, if the camping section has paracord, better. Buy that. It's be like $5. It's basic price, honestly. If you can find fishing stuff too, like monofilament line, get that. Bobbers, hooks. If you can't find hooks, you can literally make them out of paper clips and safety pins, right? Get bandanas. You're able to find them. 100% cotton. If you don't have a hat, which I can actually show you right here, because I have one. To protect yourself, get something like this. You see? Okay? This? Yeah. Like, a boonie hat is perfect because, you know, you're going to protect your neck a little bit, you're going to protect your head, and all this. Plus, you're going to do this if you had to. Plus, you can actually hide. Actually, no, you can't. I forgot. But yeah, these are really good to have. Like, get yourself some bandanas to wear too. You know? Trust me. If you had to, I don't know how you're gonna make a little toilet, but you'll probably get like a trowel or whatever. You can probably get one of those like on the little kid aisle where their toys are. You can probably get one of those like little shovels they can just use. Right? And that's some stuff that you should get for the bag. For if you're out and about, you're like, oh God, I need to get out of Dodge. I mean, you don't have to have the thing, but if you can find the small thing of bleach, which I think you should be able to get a dollar one somewhere, like on the dollar aisle one, get that. Yeah, non-fragrant though. Ooh, 96. Nice. Pretty sure by 1:30, 2 o'clock UPS will be here. So yeah, and if you can, get yourself a book bag. Because you're going to find a book bag piss easy. Piss easy. Honestly. So yeah, that's just some stuff that you can make. You know, definitely if you eat meat, guess what? Good for you, because you can find the little tuna pouches and all that. Get yourself also some, like, you're gonna be eating out of the bag anyway. Get yourself some, nuts, some fruit, right? That's on the snack aisle. This is in depth because my brain is wired different. Oh, come on. This thing is being a pain in the butt. Oh God, watch this thing go. Broken, blah, blah, blah. Okay, whatever. I don't care if you charge someone, then whatever. So yeah. They usually have like book bags, like little cheaper $5 book bags. Get one of those to put some stuff in there too. If you have to get two, go get two. Right? So you can have one right here, one in front of you, one back, right? I bet you don't even tow anything. Anyway. Now, that's some stuff I would recommend. That is a bag that you should be getting. Get this little silverware. Okay? Just do it. It's gonna help immensely, I personally think. So tell me what y'all think about my suggestions and all this. Here's what stuff you should get for a bugger bag. Now you can edit the bag all you want. You can edit some of the stuff like, okay, I don't need the shovel, so I don't need the bleach because I can just filter and then boil. The tinder. Oh, also get yourself up at the counter where like the candy and all that crap is. Get yourself lighters. Butane lighter. You can get the butane for it. So I'm pretty sure they have butane near there too. Get lighters. Trust me. All this will make your life easy if you're oh God, right? So anyway, tell me what y'all think, right? And yeah, I wanted to do this for a long time. for like a year or two. So yeah. Anyway, hope you liked it. Peace.